How to cancel or return a Costco.com order. Hey everybody, if you'd like to do so in today's video, we'll be explaining. So what you may do is head over to Costco.com, and once you are there, you'll be finding this interface. So what you may do is you can find the orders or return section, which is on the top. So find the account option, and once you find it up, a menu appears. Now from the given menu, select the option called orders and purchases and open up that page of orders and purchases first of all. And after that, you may just go and locate up the product that you would like to cancel. So head over and find the product from there and look out for cancel option within. Or if not here, you can look out for customer service option. You may scroll down for that and you should be finding option called customer service. Tap on the plus icon right beside it and you will be finding different options. Look out for the option called Costco customer service, and once you tap on it, you will be taken to the page of customer service. Wait for this page to load up and select the option called my orders, the very first from the given menu, and the orders the page opens up here. Or you may head over from the menu and look out for the option called cancel order. Tap on it, and when you tap on cancel order, or you can also look out for this option called return and replace order if you'd like to replace the order, and you will be taken to that section where you can basically look out for the option to cancel your order. Just go ahead and provide them with the details that is required to do so, and once it completes, you should be able to cancel or return a Costco.com order that way, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to um, cancel or return a Costco.com order, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.